At the start, we've got this equation. We need to solve it for x. Now, 99% of people will probably try to expand it by distributing all the brackets. That's not wrong, technically, but it's not the smartest move. Let's see. If we expand the brackets, we get this huge, messy value. Looking at this equation, how many x values do you expect there to be? From this crazy equation, you might think there are 4 possible x values. Let's find out the actual values. What we're about to do is what separates math geniuses from regular people. All these numbers form a sequence. If you look closely, the difference between each number is 2. So, let's take the average of these numbers, the mean. 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Now, let's set a value for y. Y equals x plus 6. So what's x plus 5? Well, that's just y minus 1. Now, we can replace x plus 5 with y minus 1 and do the same for the other numbers. Replace this one with y minus 3, replace that one with y plus 1, and this one with y plus 3. In the end, our equation now looks like this. Everything we did so far was just to avoid expanding those brackets. Now, let's see what's next. If you pay attention, you'll notice these two brackets are similar, just with opposite signs. And these two brackets are also similar. Remember this formula? A squared minus b squared equals open parenthesis. A minus b, close parenthesis. Open parenthesis, a plus b, close parenthesis. So now, we can rewrite the brackets as y squared minus 3 squared and y squared minus 1 squared. And the equation simplifies nicely. I know you might be thinking about distributing again, but that would just give huge numbers. It's not the best move, so we go back to what we did before. Now, what's the average of 1 and 9? 5, right? Let's set y squared equals m plus 5. Then, y squared minus 9 equals m plus 5 minus 9 equals m minus 4. Y squared minus 1 equals m plus 5 minus 1 equals m plus 4. So the equation becomes m minus 4, m plus 4 equals 9. Same formula we used earlier. M squared minus 16 equals 9. Move the minus 16 to the other side. M squared equals 25. Take the square root. M equals 5 or m equals minus 5. If m equals 5, y squared equals 5 plus 5 equals 10 implies y equals plus or minus the square root of 10. If m equals minus 5, y squared equals 0 implies y equals 0. If y equals 0, x equals 0 minus 6 equals minus 6. If y equals plus or minus the square root of 10, x equals minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 10. And there we go. In the end, we got 3x values instead of the 4 we expected. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.